hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey boys and girls, Mr. Smith here. Got a great one for you today. I got my buddy Pete the Cat, and I'm going to show you how to draw Pete the Cat's big Easter adventure. Pete the Cat helps out the Easter Bunny. He decorates eggs and he delivers them, and he becomes the Easter Bunny's #1 helper. Now this is a story by Kimberly and James Dean, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below where your parents could purchase a copy of this book for you. I'm also going to leave a downloadable coloring page just in case you want some extra help in trying to create my drawing today. So if you want to find out how you can draw this, all you need to do is just watch, like, subscribe, and always remember, share my video with a friend and watch it all the way until the end. And I'm going to see you later. Say bye, Pete. Pete doesn't say much. All right. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. First, we're going to make a large V, open V, for the bottom of Pete's chin. We're going to go up on the left and the right for the sides of his ears. We're going to come down with a curving line going across the top of his head and his other ear. Next, we're going to make 2 curving lines with smaller curving lines inside for his 2 bunny ears, because Pete's going to be helping out the Easter Bunny and he has to dress the part. Bring that line all the way down. Now we're going to make 2 smiling faces for the bottoms of his eyes. We're going to close them up and they're going to look like football shapes. Then we're going to make half circles for his pupils and his cornea on both sides. And a straight line going across, curving underneath for his nose. Now we're going to come straight down with 2 lines for Pete's body. Now we're going to do a curving line for the top part of the bottom of the basket, which Pete is going to be sitting in, and another curving line going down around the bottom, and another curving line going up top for the handle. We need to make 2 lines for that. One is the outside part and one will be the inside part, just following that same line. Now we have to make oval shapes for the eggs, the Easter eggs in the basket. We're not going to decorate them yet. We're going to wait and come back and add our decorations and patterns. Keep on making your egg shapes, filling up the basket. Put a few whiskers in there, curving lines going down. Now it's going to be time to put in these rectangular shapes, which will represent the weaving of the basket. Now we're not going to fill in the whole thing. We're just going to put a few rectangles in different places. Most of them are going to be closed. A couple will be open. Some will be connecting. These kind of remind me of bricks that you'll see in a building, but after we add the color, you'll see that it takes on the shape of an Easter basket. We're going to make our horizon line going straight across, and now I'm going in for a quick outline of the whole drawing with my black magic marker. And once I finish this, this is what I'm going to have as my downloadable coloring page, which is free. Just go to the description below and you can download this and have this free of charge to color Pete the Cat with me. if you want to. I'm also going to leave a link where your parents, if they choose, they might want to get the Pete the Cat stuffed animal. Alright, I'm starting to add my colors in. I've imported into my iPad, working on my clouds. Some little light blue, little wash of blue. Colors in for my basket for Pete, his ears, green grass. We'll put a little bit darker orange to make the basket look just a little bit more dimensional, so it's not so flat. I want to end up doing the same thing for the handle. Just give it a little texture. Now it's time to create my designs on the Easter eggs. I love decorating Easter eggs, making all kinds of different designs. You can do almost anything you want on an Easter egg. With color, with lines, with shapes, with patterns. They're so much fun. But I love nothing more than adding different colors to Easter eggs. I think they're so bold and bright. This is one of my favorite times of year. Now make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to have my drawing with a little animation with Pete. And don't forget about my downloadable coloring page, or the link where your parents could purchase, if they want to, the Pete the Cat Easter Adventure book or Plushy Pete the Cat doll. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And remember, subscribe, like, hit that bell, share it with a friend, and always, always come back and see Mr. Smith again. And here we are. Look at Pete. Look at my Easter eggs and a cute little Easter bunny. I want to wish everybody a very happy Easter.